Hi my friends, I will be making some German pancakes today. I love German pancakes. German pancakes in German is called Deutsche Pfannkuchen. Deutsche Pfannkuchen. Okay, let's get started. I am using this King Arthur flour. That's what I have at home. 400 grams of it. Flour. It's a little bit less than 4 cups. Of course you can use the half the recipe. It depends how many pancakes you want. You hear the cat outside. Our male cat came back and he's crying out there with the female. He's been after her all day yesterday. I know this is has nothing to do with German pancakes, but that is the sound you hear outside. And when I used to, let's get back to German pancakes. When I used to make German pancakes, I just put in the flour. I don't measure it. I just go by the feel of it. You can too if you would like. I'll use a little bit of salt, not the whole thing. About, let's see, you go like kind of with the feel. I'll be using 2 eggs. Now these are jumbo eggs, so I probably only need 3. Like I said, this is 400 grams of flour, which is just about 4 cups. 400 gram meal. And now we're going to put in the eggs. 3 große Eier. I put always like a little groove in here, like, or you say a hole, like in the middle of the flour. That's where I put the eggs in. I was trying to get the camera over here. Ein Ei, 2 Eier, 1 egg, 2 eggs. My American friends wanted me to speak German while I'm making this recipe. Now I have been in America for a very long time, over 30 years, and I've made very many pancakes like this because I love pancakes so much. If you would like to use some whole wheat flour and white flour, you can do that too. Many times I have used oat flour because that's what I had. But I like them like this the best. But you can make healthier ones too, if you would like. That's how I've always done it. Just with a wooden spoon like that, and getting more and more flour in from the outside like this. Now I have learned recently that they put baking soda into the American pancakes, and that is the difference? I guess amongst other different ingredients, like probably buttermilk and stuff. I don't know for sure if buttermilk is used for the American ones, for the basic recipe. This is the basic German recipe, yeah. For, of course, the German pancakes. Of course, because that's what we're making right now. Yeah. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar because I want them sweet. But of course, if you don't want sugar in it, you don't have to put sugar in it. I love them sweet. I'm using about an eighth of a liter for 200 grams of flour, or 1/4 of a liter for the amount we're making for the 400 grams of flour. So let's measure it. Which is 250 milliliter. Let me show you. And that is about 1 cup. I just pour it in a little bit at a time. Just mix the flour in with it like that. Yeah. That looks good. Yeah, I haven't made any in a while, but I like more milk in it. I realize that this is too thick. Using a little bit more. Let's see what that looks like. Now I'll be adding sugar. Let's get some sugar. Maybe a tiny little bit more. You can add less or more sugar according to your taste. Yeah, looks good. Ooh. Let's make them in the iron pan. I'm just going to use some sunflower oil today. Some people use margarine. Some may even use butter or whatever. Vegetable oil or whatever they may use. I'm just going to use the sunflower oil. I just put a little oil in there. Let it get nice and hot. The dough still seems to be a bit thick, but if you want them a bit thicker, you can. I'm gonna add some more milk to it. Yes, I definitely will add more milk to it. Let me turn the light back on so you can see it better. I keep adding a little bit more milk because I know just by the feel of it how it has to feel and look like, you know. I have it on high. That looks pretty good. A shadow. Yeah, that's a thick pancake. Too thick! Sorry. This one's better, but still needs more milk. I got this recipe off the internet because I couldn't find my German cookbook. I have my German cookbook, but not the one I was looking for. The one that I had since I was 14. I don't know where it went. Added more milk. Look, that is more like it. That's what it really needs to look like more. Not so thick, you know. Silly me. And of course you can put powdered sugar on it. That's how I like to eat it.